go this way. Why is it doing that? It shouldn't twist like that. There. Wrap the cord around the cube, that way it'll be fine. What was I doing? Oh, I know. Rubik's Cube. You just helped me come across an idea while doing the Akira Underground gear solve. Oh, that was good. I can do this. Show it all mixed. And then go like this. And show it solved. And he also did help me figure this out. If I come over one, one over, and I go like this, it's mixed up a different way. And if I do it again, oh man, I might have goofed it. I think I might have goofed it. There. Now when I go like this, it's back in position, and it's solved again. I think it used some across that. Because I accidentally did it, and then I thought, wait a minute. I come across another highway. And it makes it, and I'm able to solve it quicker that way. Just like the Stephen Bondage instant solve. Show it all mix and then go like that. Instant solve. Hope I did it right. Yeah. Just gotta remember when I do it the third way, I gotta do it twice. Eddie Vac shorts was he took out the shorts to say Eddie Vac. Eddie Vac speed cure, this one. Then add your own mix, which I add my own mix. And do it again. And then shut all mix and go. Instant solve. Stephen Bondage. Imagination solve. Imagination 20 moves away. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then you pick a color. Say they say orange, so you mix orange up. And you show it all mixed up. It's all mixed up everywhere. And then I say watch gradually as your color comes into view. Then you show the whole cube done. There's a new way where they get one picture picks a color, another one picks a color, and after the first one, then the second one done, Then you spin around and show the cue ball done. If I could figure out how to do that, or someone uploaded, it'll be the icing on the cake, cherry on top. Okay. Then there's the, thanks to the Dookie guy, I can't think of his name. He showed how to do his version of the Gregory Wilson Rubicon. And let's see. Yeah. And you show it mixed, and you sew it right behind your back like this. And you do it one hand in your hand like this. And then there's this version behind your back, or just do it with one hand like that, called the wave. A lot of people like the wave, including the junior girls at the church, and the teen girls, and the teen guys, and the junior boys and girls too. They like, see, I can go like this, show it. I can even do the mix. Pick any mix you want, show it all mixed, and mix it again. I think I did it right. And then I know part of it's right there. Where's the other half? That's one half, but where's the other half? I know it's here, but I just can't. Looks like I did. Maybe I mixed it. Maybe I need to mix it even more. Alright. I'll look everywhere. See, there's that. That don't do it either. I guess maybe I overmixed it. Let me try it again. Maybe I mixed it. Maybe I had to mix it one more time. That don't seem to be it either. Alright, do it again. One of these is going to be with the pattern. I really mixed it, didn't I? Mix it again. It's got to go back to normal somehow. Maybe it's like that. No, that's not it. Maybe that did it. I'll keep trying. That don't look like it either. Try it again. One of these has got to be it. It's like it's there, but not there. I mean, I'll do this, but that don't seem like that's it. Because I know what I'm looking for. I must have mixed it too much. Oh well, looks like I gotta solve it, folks. Okay, no problem. Let's solve the red. Oh, got it wrong again. This goes over here. Then this goes over here. blue, yellow, and this goes, see, I gotta find red, there's red. Red goes over here, no, red goes over here, and then I just gotta find the red right here, then I just solve the bottom, that's right. That's right, so these two gotta switch. Let's see. Okay, now put the reds together. Red, 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 there's red. There's green and red. Then the red, white's on the bottom. No. Where is red, white? Is it on there? Oh, there it is. Okay, top's done. Get the bottom done. Okay, put the middles where they go. Oh, it's halfway there. Okay. Oh, okay, I see what this is. This should solve it. Yeah, put this over here. Well, I gotta split this somehow. Like so. Well, not that direction. Okay, I'll put it like this then. Okay, no problem. There, done. I think I should have did it faster, but I'm sitting there talking while doing it, but anyway. Well, there was some kind of pattern I said I was going to do. Oh yeah. See, I know what I'm looking for. Okay, red and blue. So, if I mix it and spin it, and then I should be able to find red and blue again. There's red. No, how come that's not doing it? There's red, but where's blue? Oh, there it is. Okay. Now I see where I was going wrong. Red and blue. So it's mixed. And then all I gotta do is show the hand's empty. And it's solved. And I can do the other one, the Rubik version. Same behind my back too. Show it mix. And it's solved. And here's this one. That Magic Illusion guy, YouTube channel that showed how to do the Statue of Liberty. He showed how to do this one. Like that. You can put it in a bag or whatever. There's a lot of ways. Good ideas. I got this red jacket because it reminds me of Elliot and E.T. And Ron Wilson, my Sunday school teacher, said, yeah, I get it, yeah, I know what you mean, E.T. And I said, they recently made a commercial one where the kids are seeing E.T. and Elliot has grown up and everything. And everybody in the comments says, it's good, that was good. And now go make the movie. You know. Well, anyway, you get the idea.